Before going further, I want to template this pod template hash label, so which you have already seen while creating our deployments. So we have seen that when you create the deployment and when you describe it, the deployment has a selector named pod template hash, and it also has a label similar to that. And the replica set also contains the same label, pod template hash. Now it is added by the deployment controller. We do not do it by ourselves. It is done by the controller automatically, and it is attached to the replica set which is created by the deployment, or which is adopted by the deployment, or the replica set which is taken in by the deployment. Now the purpose of this label is to ensure that the replica sets of a deployment do not overlap. That means that, let's say there are multiple deployments which you create, and all the deployments would have one replica set or the other. So while creating the deployments, the replica sets should not overlap. And the way the hash value is created is actually by hashing the pod template of the replica set. And the resultant hash value is added to pod template hash label value. When you increase the number of pods in the deployment, all the new pods will be added the same labels as part of the replica set.